Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to hide contacts on Messenger. Firstly, go to Messenger. Once opened, tap on the three lines on the top left corner. This opens a bar. Here, tap on the setting icon shown on the right corner of the bar. Then, tap on Privacy and Safety. Below Safety and Wellbeing, you may see Hidden Contacts. Tap on Hidden Contacts. Then, tap on Add, which is located at the top right corner of your screen. Then, you may search up the contact that you want to hide, then click on their profile. Once you click on their profile, Messenger asks you for your approval again before hiding the contact. Then, to proceed, you may click on Hide Contact. Once done, a notification pops on your screen informing you that you have successfully hidden the contact. This is how you can hide contacts on Messenger. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below.